Hey everybody, it's Cory Weithaus with LDV Custom Specialty Vehicles. I handle the mobile medical, dental, and outreach applications here for the company. And it's been a great year designing a lot of different projects that are based off of dental, medical, and other behavioral health style vehicles. We have placed a tremendous importance of stock series vehicles, being able to turn them around quickly, that are based on 2 and 3 exam room or operatory style vehicles. These next few videos will highlight a lot of exciting projects that have been coming through the shop. We thank you for the opportunity to show you these exciting vehicles. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if I can provide any free layouts or designs. As the market continues to grow, I look forward to working with all of you, and thank you for the opportunity for us sponsoring the Coalition meeting.